The main rice-growing season in Central Thailand comes to an end in April. As we bicycled around the outskirts of Bangkok, we saw many combines in action. At this paddy in Nong Chuk, just northeast of the new international airport, we watched this crew harvest almost as effortlessly as you would mow your backyard sitting atop a riding mower. It was interesting to see how it took several seconds after the rice was cut for the grains to be shot into the hopper on the back of the combine. Because of skyrocketing prices, many farmers are planting an interim season of rice, as seen in this neighboring paddy.